In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable share option in Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening Facebook here, just letting it load into the main home screen. And once everything comes up, you'll see your usual feed with posts, reels, and updates showing in the center. From here, we're going to move into your profile so we can adjust the settings. So I'm just clicking on my profile icon. Usually that's your picture or name at the top or in the menu. And once I open that, it takes me straight into my profile page where all your posts and details are shown. Now from here, I'm going to click on settings and privacy. So I just tap that option and it opens up a menu with different account settings. I'll let that load for a second and then we'll continue into the visibility options. Once that's done, I'm scrolling down and looking for audience and visibility. So I just move through the list until I see it, and once I do, I click on it to open the next set of controls. Now inside audience and visibility, I'm going to click on posts. So I just tap that. And this is where Facebook lets you control who can see and interact with your posts. Alright, now I'm going to click on who can see your future post. So I open that up, and this is the setting that controls your default sharing visibility. Once that loads, I'm going to select public. So I just tap on public, and this is what enables your post to be visible and shareable to everyone on Facebook. At this point, I'm just double checking that public is selected, making sure everything looks correct before saving it. Now I'm going to click on save. So I just press that button and Facebook updates the setting right away. And once that's done, your post visibility is set to public, which means your share option is now enabled and people can share your post without restrictions based on that setting.